Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the shipping connector Shiprocket. Shiprocket is an Indian e-commerce, logistics and shipping software solution company, and it is considered as the India's largest e-commerce enablement platform providing digital retailers with an end-to-end customer experience platform. In the world of logistics and shipping software, a shipping connector is a software application that bridges the gap between your e-commerce and enterprise resource planning systems and your chosen carrier shipping software. So let's see, how can we manage the shipping connector Shiprocket in Odoo 17? So for that, we can just move on to the sales module. In the configuration settings, we can find a section called shipping, where we can just manage with the Shiprocket. So Shiprocket is a new feature that is available in Odoo 17, where we can just compute the shipping cost and ship with Shiprocket. So here you can just click on Shiprocket shipping method, and we have to just create a new Shiprocket domestic, where you can see that the name of the shipping method is given over here and the provider, everything will be shown over here. Now you can also find the configuration over here. Odoo itself provide the tutorial over here. Now, in order to manage with the Shiprocket website, first we have to just log in into the website. So let's see, how can we create and log in into the website? So while creating into the website, you always need to keep in mind that you have to give your Aadhaar card number, because the Aadhaar card number and the number that is linked with the Aadhaar card number would be receiving an OTP. So which is mandatory to give the Aadhaar card number and provide the OTP in order to manage with the GST calculation. Now let's see how we can just log in into the Shiprocket website. I have already created the website, login into the account. So I won't be creating a new account. Rather, I will be logging to my existing account. Here you can just log in the website of Shiprocket, and let's see how can we create the account for the Shiprocket. So you can just click on Shiprocket and sign up for free over here. And here you can just sign as a seller or a buyer. And here you can see either you can just log in with your Google account or Facebook account, and you have to provide all the relevant necessary details. So while creating the account, you have to give your Aadhaar number, and the phone number must be linked with the Aadhaar number, because I have already told you that is used for the purpose of GST calculation. As I have a new account in the Shiprocket, I won't be creating another account over here. Rather, let's log in into my Shiprocket account. Once the account is created, you can just log in into the account. So here you can see that currently we have logged in into my account, and the next step is just go to the settings in order to configure the API. So here you can see the settings over here. So let's choose the settings, and you would be able to find different choices in the settings. Now we just need to configure the API. Now just drag down and you can see a choice called API, where you can just configure it. So let's click on this icon, and here you can see API user details and all. Now there are no active users, and we just need to create a user over here. So in order to do so, here you can see that I have already created an API user details over here with the email, password, and we can just make this API active. So if you want to create another API user, you can just click on create an API user, and you can just provide the email ID as well as password, and you can also confirm the password. Later on, you can just click on generate API credential, so that the API credentials will be generated. Now let's consider the password and the email ID, and let's back to the the Odoo platform in order to paste this API and password in the shipping method configuration. So now copy your API user email and password and paste it into the shipping method configuration. So here we can see that the Shiprocket configuration, where we can just provide the email. So the email is sample odoo for at gmail.com, and later on you can also provide the password, and afterwards you can save the Shiprocket configuration. Now let's back to the Shiprocket website in order to create the channel. To create the channel, move on to the panel, and here you can find the setup and manage. And here you can see channels, and we can just create the channel. So here you can see the channel which is already created. And if you want to create a new channel, you can just click on add new channel, where you can just use the channel over here and add the shopping cart over here. So let me choose it as manual. And later on, you can just see the name over here, manual, and let me just name it as manual demo. And here you can also give the communication brand name, which is Cybrosys. And if you want to upload any brand logo, then you can just upload that, and you can just save and test connection. So here you can see that the channel added successfully, and please navigate to activities to check the newly fetched orders. So currently we don't have any activities over here. And if you want to just use this, you can use this one. And now let's back to the Odoo platform. Now in the general information, we can just provide the channel name over here. So you can see different channels such as the custom and manual demo. So you can just use the Shiprocket channel over here, and you can just save this. So we have saved, and later on we can just use this channel in our orders. Now let's create a new order, where you can just click on new button, and let's choose a customer. So the customer must be from India itself, then only we can just use the shipping connector Shiprocket. So ensure that we have just provide all the details such as the phone numbers and email ID. Then we also just need to ensure that the customer is from India and from the state which belongs to India. And later on, you can just choose a product which is Aquastic block screen, and to manage with the cost of the product, that is the shipping cost, we also just need to ensure that we have just provided the weight of the products under the inventory, ensure that we have provided the weight of the product. And later on, you can just calculate the shipping price. So here you can just add the shipping, where you can just add the shipping method, which is the Shiprocket. So here you would be able to find the Shiprocket domestic, and you can see the total weight over here. Now it won't be possible to get the rate over here. That is because we don't have enough credits over here. So if you just click on get rate over here, you can see that you will get a validation error, like have to provide the phone number or mobile number which is required. Actually, we have provided that. This is error is only getting because I don't have enough credit in order to manage with this. That's why. So let me click on add over here. So as I just click on add, you can see that the shipping method will be added, and you can manually add the price. And as you just manually add the unit price, you can see update shipping cost. So even if you just click on here, you will get the same error, as we don't have sufficient credit. And you can just save this and confirm the order, and later on you can just process with your delivery. So this is how we manage with the Shiprocket, which is one of the new feature available in Odoo 17, and that is a shipping connector used in India. So if you want Odoo customization or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. I hope this video clarifies how to manage the Shiprocket in Odoo. And that's all about the video. Stay awesome, and thank you for watching.